What's up, you guys? It's your girl Meleah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. All right, guys, so I'm here to tell you guys a little bit about Peter Thomas Roth. This is his Max Complexion Correction Pads. Oh my gosh, you guys, this product is amazing. I have been dealing with acne and breakouts since I was a really little girl, so I am always on the hunt for a good product that can help me. It's nothing worse than dealing with acne, guys. I know you guys, those of you who've been following me, you've seen some of my videos that I talk about acne and breakouts, and it's something I've been dealing with my whole life, so it's really frustrating. The best product, as you guys know, if you've seen my other videos, are Retin-A. Retin-A has been something that's game-changing for me. It's really helped me. But as you know, with Retin-A, it does make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So during the summer months, I usually get off of Retin-A. So I've been looking for a product that could kind of help me during these summer months to help clear up any breakouts I get. And lo and behold, I found this Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Pads. And I have to say, these are amazing. Yeah. I noticed after the first night, I had actually a really bad breakout on my chin, and I noticed after the first night of using them, I woke up and it really significantly dried out the breakouts I had, and I noticed some that were trying to come up were actually subsided. So it is amazing. I've tried a lot of like acne pads, you know, and the issue I have with these, and most of the time, are that they're too drying. Like they have alcohol in them and they just strip my skin and make it crazy and make it worse. And the thing I love about Peter Thomas Roth is that it doesn't do that. It's not something you're gonna have to be afraid to use. And I can tell you, I've tried all of them. Like I said, I used to use Noxema, I used to use Clearasil, and all those things just made it worse. So when I went to try this, I was really nervous, I have to say, because like I said, I have tried so many acne pads and they always make it worse. But you know, the thing that made me have courage to try this was the fact that they had such good active ingredients. And Peter Thomas Roth really did a good job of mixing it with some soothing ingredients, so it's not going to overwhelm your skin and like freak it out and make it bright red and crazy and peely and scaly. And that's what I love about this. The 2% salicylic acid and 10% glycolic acid complex is amazing. That's gonna really help to kill the bacteria, also peel down the skin. The glycolic is gonna help to peel down those layers of skin, so it brings it up. And then I love the other ingredients he put in there. He has a soothing arginine, allantoin, whole leaf, aloe vera extracts, chamomile, and green tea. So that's the key, is you've got a lot of real soothing ingredients that's gonna combat those other little bit more aggressive active ingredients. So it is amazing. I love Peter Thomas Roth in general, but kudos to him for coming up with this. It is going to help you guys so much. Please give this a try. If you are dealing with breakouts this summer, it's going to help you. I cannot believe I found this. I'm so excited, and I'm excited to share this with you guys. The price point on this isn't bad either. It's about $39, and you get 60 pads in here, so it's about 2 months supply. I really feel like that's a reasonable price. You can get it on Ulta, Amazon. I think you can even get it on Sephora.com, but I'll leave a link below for those of you who guys are interested. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.